Finally, after the winter of 2016 had passed, my auntie and I spontaneously took both our Greenbush ponies for a taste of the coast. 90 Mile Beach, which is in fact only 55 miles long, gave us a week I will never forget. We began our week searching for a place to set up camp on a farm bordering onto the giant Teapaki sand dunes. After finding a lovely hidden corner nestled in the shelter of a pine forest, we decided to give our ponies their first taste of salt air and sandy adventures. I very quickly learned that my solid chestnut gelding Scooby had a very strong phobia of tourist buses, boogie boards, information huts, cattle stops, tourists, and probably even the giant sand dunes themselves. I wasn't letting that stop me from enjoying the golden sand between my toes. Tugging at his lead, we raced around all the touristy commotion with Scooby practically towing us in his panic, and found ourselves a lovely dune to play around and start desensitizing the ponies. After a while of settling our feisty steeds, excitement got the better of me, so I took off again, my pony trailing behind me down a steep dune. The wind caught our manes, and the sand warmed our hooves. I was in paradise, and I'm sure Scooby was too. On a typical Christmas day in New Zealand, we go to the beach. The only downside is, when us kids are called up for food, it's a mad rush of red-hot feet on red-hot sand, burning our way as quick as our fitness allowed to reach the coolness of the grass. Well, let me tell you, I was starting to get that feeling. At the bottom of the dune, I noticed an absolute magical oasis of crystal clear water. We beelined straight towards it. But before I could stop, I felt a tingly, unnatural feeling beneath my feet. It was too late. Scooby's rope tightened in my grip as I flew over the wobbly sand while he plummeted straight down underground. Quicksand.